This is navy beans with carrot, celery, and onion. This is potato soup with potatoes, carrots, celery, onions, and a little bit of ham for flavoring. These are just plain canned potatoes. The best way to use them is fry them. Jalapenos, sweet banana pepper rings, pickled beets, rhubarb, tomato juice, green tomato relish, grape jam, yellow beans, green beans, pumpkin, red beans, bacon, wrapped in parchment paper and canned.
Oh wow. So you don't need to put like the water in there for those ones? But do you still put them in the pressure canner like you got everything else?
Dill pickles.
Nice.
Made the old-fashioned way in a crock and then canned. But these are black beans. No, these are small red beans. But anyway, but what kind of beans do you want to can tomorrow?